Have you faced a problem where Call of Duty app keeps crashing or not opening on your iPhone? No worries. Hey there. Here's the advanced guide on how to solve the Call of Duty app keeps crashing problem after a recent update. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Update your Call of Duty app. Open the App Store, search for Call of Duty. If you find any updates available, then tap on Update. Now open the Call of Duty app and check whether your problem is fixed or not. After that, try our next solution. Solution 2. Clear out storage and offload the Call of Duty app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. First, try to look at your storage full, then remove some unwanted apps or games in order to have 10 GBs of storage. After that, find the Call of Duty app, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app. Solution 3. Refresh the background app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. After that, tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Off. So, this is how you can solve this crashing problem. If you have any kind of questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.